Free H Dogley our joining Medeama. And I think say Kwaya Medeama so prepare myself for the task ahead. Make sure the CAF Champions League, Eugene. Me pe Kwaya omonam so no because their signings are spot on. Omo make sure say players are after the season. Omo man good performances. Omo nyina joining the train. Ibrahim Tanku Enyas prepare for the CAF Champions League. Maka and meti hey me dadwi nyina ne say kwan ben so na Ghana clubs kwan ben so na Premier League clubs ebetimi match up with the North Africans ene baby a omode ba no agwagudru ewo CAF club competitions mu. And the history of Ghana, the last 3 editions, and I said the last 3 seasons are abakoni nyina no. Yen representatives are omujina Ghana name nyina no. Eugene, they have nothing to show off. They are not able to make it to the group stages of the CAF Champions League as well as the Confederations Cup. Yen Kanye Shannon so say a kwan way na CAF efa so etimi ehyehyɛ enema ewo CAF stage in terms of club football. Eugene, oye club na ugo gina oman na name ewo CAF competition ni mu a se wantimi angwango bo the group stages of the competition at that particular edition. Eugene, you have done 0 to your FA. Enti oye club na uko joining CAF competition ni mu a udi first to second or point ode ma oman sa so na third fourth and also or point ode ma oman unim say after the group stages 2 clubs emerges out of the group. Enti oye club na emerge out of the group udru quarter final Eugene ewo point wode ma your association. Udru semi final ewo point wode ma the association. Sanso na udru final even if you do not win or a point for your football association. Now share the annals of Ghana football. The last time clubs every Ghana board the CAF competition omoma Ghana point na eye Medeama any Dreams FC. Sa period no Medeama edi 4th in the group. Dreams FC emerge out of the group go di semi final abra olusu to Zamalek. Enti the last 2 clubs omatimi aboa ama oman Ghana points at the CAF club competition level Medeama and Dreams FC. After these 2 clubs in Swaziland anya the opportunity to feature the CAF club competitions. Samates anya opportunity to feature. Bibiani Gold Stars any opportunity to feature. Asante Kotoko any opportunity to feature. But Eugene, they have all not provided points.
Fulfilled.
Yes. And now asa kwa baba to Medeama now so. What's the explanation no? The last 2 clubs are omo boy ema or minor points. Ewo CAF club level no. Eye Medeama. Yen last 2 representatives efeli. Enti dia me susu akire Moses Amapaka and Medeama ne say their signings are spot on. Players are omo divisible stage no and omo dey ba on board. Enti me pese the entire team of Medeama de show madwunu mu say kona omo kono Eugene they are going to give Ghana points for CAF 5-year ranking. You bet me I say Nations FC Kobe. But in the history of Ghana football, Nations FC representing Omaino as a Division 1 club. Ebi si abakwa se muda. Say Ghana club bi go CAF competition. Na onye a Premier League status club name or you join the lesser division of the Ghana Premier League in the shape of Division 1. Into your mode yent me earn say much about them because ideally they are debutants at that level. And baby omu free banner omu competition name no. We cannot rely so much on them say omu MPM no omu go through the group stages. So omu ba omu maden na omu timi go through group stages ah. It's a blessing in disguise for Ghana football. Nemum team Medeama dear Eugene. We are betting our last coin on them say omum boyen no mun sama your point. And medical ma in church say answer na obama on my point no. I was say we drew the group stages. Inti me taske Medeama personally. Me taske Ibrahim Anyas Tanko. Say omban homodin. Say obetimi drew the group stages. Say the beya yibenya point to add up to the existing point ayewo. Kainesha no say Medeama ema 1 point on the last attempt. Dreams FC ema Ghana 3 points. Inti the last time no you were 4 points. Yeah, here ni say you bet me match up the top 12 clubs ewo on mining because say we on mine ansana ubet me nya 2 clubs for the respective CAF competitions, Champions League, Confederation no Eugene. I also falling within the top 12 of the CAF 5-year ranking. In Ghana, we are yet to fall within the top 12. Answer never falling within the top 12. No, I was say a club from your country, a performing the CAF Champions League or the CAF Confederations Cup. Say the beya or points build up. No, a bit me a boy.
Who said the league? Queen said the teams here. Yeah, what it does.
You see, that's why the 2 clubs no mugu jina name Medeama any nations. And I may say Medeama say the musi your appointment no. And tonko so sad till time I ever started the official campaign for 2026-2027. The better what you say. Say you heard the holistic nature of Ghana Premier League na Eugene. And then you better time ni intimi emwe. Because the year no contrary to other countries omo performing the CAF club competition inti the said there and am this Ibrahim Tanko Anyas and then Medeama set up and say yeah omo nim ya ni do omo so say omo beboa oman no mama points na etimi e dey build yourself for the CAF 5-year ranking. Yeah, where you say you bet me are falling within the top 12 nations at the CAF level.